in WordPress how to fix SEO alt tags on image or image alt tags to improve your SEO. We're using Divi Theme Builder, so it's really simple. Just come in here, click on here, click here. You can come into the media library. You can also do it there. So we click on that image. So you notice we want this to actually say Goodyear, Med Spa Botox, Goodyear. Obviously, if you don't have anything in here, you can paste it in, caption, same thing. So that's in there. Upload that, hit that, come in here, hit save. Obviously, when you add images in here, you can do the same thing. If I come in here, click this, hit edit here on the settings, come into the actual image, changes to Goodyear, this one to Goodyear, Arizona. So we create solid all image alt tags in here. You can even come into here. This will probably have the image icon. Come here. Where is it? That's this image. So we got this. That looks like we're using it for Botox. So let's come in and change that image alt tag to do Med Spa, go Botox, Goodyear, Med Spa, go title. I'll just change Med Spa, Botox, Med Spa, Goodyear, Arizona. Right, so good alt tags. Obviously, alt tags will help improve your SEO. What also will improve your SEO is you notice this. We got Goodyear, Arizona here. It's paragraph heart here. It's a header 1 tag. Header 1s help improve SEO, so that's good there. We can check on any other. So check on the filler. Come into the image icon. Hit this. Hit that one. Derma filler, collagen replacement. That's good. Derma filler, perfect. So that's good. Alt tags. Okay, cool. Let's see if there's any other. We can even do it to the background images here. Pull this up. Background. Pattern images. Not that one. We want it actually, I think, in here. So in this first column, the background here. So that's just a plain, we don't have an image there. So we're good there. We're good in there. This one, let's check this image here. Where is it? Which one was it? This one, right? So you can see here, good year. And if it's Botox, and I'll change that again. Goodyear. Okay, cool. Upload. So that looks good. That looks good. These are hidden. We can even do it on these little images here, right? And we don't want to say the same thing. We don't want to use the same alt tag all the time. But in here, I think it was this image. So let's go Med Spa, Goodyear, Arizona. Boom, boom. Upload that one. So we got that. Actually, let's go back because it was a different image. So we want to reverse this. Edit blurb. Let's go. Let's see. Image icon. So let's go back to here. Click this one. Go to image icon. So this one and this one. So it's different from that one. So let's find it. It was this one. So Change this to medical, med spa. Change here, boom, upload that image. Okay, cool. So that one's good there. This one, we want to make sure it's the correct image icon. Come in here, so we edit this one. Let's go. Certain things people might type in that are associated with your SEO alt tags. So that's good. This one should already have edited it, so let's just double check. The alt tags on this. Good. Boom. Right, sweet. So now we can save that. That's just a quick way to edit image alt tags and improve your SEO ranking and search engines on your WordPress site. Obviously, you can come in here, dashboard. You can go into, where's your media library? Go in here. You can also make all those edits in here. So if you click that, you can see their alt text is right here, alternative text. That will help improve your SEO, title, all that stuff. You can come into all these different images and make those adjustments in here so you can improve your SEO of your site. Hopefully that was helpful. Take care. Bye.